What's going on, Wash Squad? Michael here with 15 Cent Pressure Washing. Today I'm in Columbia, Tennessee, and we're going to clean this customer's driveway, sidewalk, and back patio. The reason for making this video, is to talk to you guys about why pre-treating prior to pressure washing concrete is really important. We've had quite a few customers in time that have asked us if we can wash the concrete without pre-treating. And the short answer to that is no. We have to pre-treat concrete before we wash it. If we don't, it's going to take us a lot longer to clean the concrete, and at the same time, we're not going to be able to provide them an efficient, long-lasting clean. All right, and the reason for this is concrete's porous. And when mold grows on concrete, the mold spores get down inside the concrete. So with just normal pressure washing, you release the surface mold, but the spores are still there in the concrete. Come a few months later, your driveway's back looking like this again. And that's what we don't want. We want to be able to provide our customers with a long-lasting quality clean. I'm going to show you guys an area that has been pressure washed, and our customers actually pressure washed this area and was not able to get all the mold out, and this is the reason why we're here now. So that whenever she was trying to get the areas that were still left here, she was starting to damage the concrete, and she couldn't get it cleaned up without damaging the concrete. Now this is where pre-treating comes in. I'm going to give you guys a look at this concrete and let you see what it looks like with just normal pressure washing. All right, so you guys can see that this surface is a lot cleaner than this surface, but if you look down in there, all that black stuff you see, that's still mold, right? Let's get a close up. You see that there? That's mold spores. And if you try to just get this stuff up with the pressure washer, you're going to release a lot of the granulate that's on the concrete surface. Now with pre-treating, when you treat this, it's going to completely kill all that mold, and at the same time it's going to help this stuff spray out way easier than just trying to pressure wash it. So I'm about to start pre-treating this concrete. I've already gotten everything hooked up. Alright, now let's pre-treat this back patio. And also hit that lower brick right there. It's got mold on it. This back here isn't that bad. Make sure we get under the steps good. All right. We also want to hit this right there. All right, now that's pre-treated. We're gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes. Then we'll come through and get her all cleaned up. All right, y'all, now before I pre-treat this sidewalk, I want to show you guys what the driveway already looks like with just pre-treating. Remember how it was this black, covered in black mold. Let's take a look and see what it looks like now. Take a look at that, you guys. That's just with treating the concrete. You can see how a lot of that mold has died. This is what it looked like before. Now look at it. You can see a massive difference between the two, and this is just with pre-treating and killing all the mold. Let's go through and let's get this sidewalk pre-treated. See what it's going to look like. Pre-treating will save you guys so much time, and it's also going to provide your customer with a long-lasting clean. You know, molded concrete, there's not a better way to do it without treating it, man. I mean, it's a must. If you're going to clean concrete, you definitely need to be pre-treating it. Apologize, it looks like it's hard to see the before and after while we're cleaning because of the reflection of the sun, but I wanted to show you all this real quick. Alright, see that there? I've already surface cleaned this area here. This area has not been surface cleaned. You see all the white spots, all the mold. It's cleaning up really, really good. So this is what it looked like after treatment. This is what it looks like after we get done surface cleaning. Let's get back to it. Guys, we have finished cleaning the driveway, the sidewalk, the back patio. This place is cleaned up really, really good. Now keep in mind, you guys, we pre-treated prior to pressure washing to kill all the mold and the mold spores, and then came through and pressure washed. That's going to provide our customer with a lot longer of a clean. And I really do appreciate you guys for watching. I'm going to show you guys the concrete real quick just so you can get an eye on it and see what it looks like after cleaning. Well, there it is, y'all. Once again, I do appreciate you guys for watching. And if you like this video, smash that like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed and you like this video, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our latest content. You guys wash on, stay safe, and have a blessed day.